So students, let us learn some of the important points how we have to calculate the numbers. So students, have you know tables? It is very important. So just keep in mind tables always. Keep on revising it every day so that it makes your sum very easy. Let us learn some of the important points for divisible or factors of numbers. Our first point is 1 is a factor for every number. So 1 is a factor of every number. What does that mean? So 1 ones are tables, everybody knows. Even LKG students also knows 1 ones are tables, isn't it? So 1 is a factor, it can multiply all the numbers. It can be multiply smaller number and greater number also. 1 50s are 50, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. So 1 can multiply all the numbers, so it is called as 1 is a factor of every number. So second point is every number is a factor of itself. Yes, every number is a factor of itself. So for example, number 1 can multiply by tables 1 itself. So in leaving that, if we look into other tables, it cannot be multiplied. So in the same way, if you see number 3, so 3 also can be multiplied by tables 3. So except that we cannot multiply the number 3 in other tables. So this is how every numbers is a factor of itself. Third point, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So every factor of a number is a divisor of that numbers, as every number is a factor of that own numbers. In the same way, every number has its own divisor. So this is also one of the true statement. Let us see the fourth point. Every factor is less than or equal to given number. So every factors. So students, if I say 6 is multiplied in 1 1s are 1 6 are 6 and in 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, again 3 2s are 6, again not in 4 5 but in 6 1s are 6. So here 6 is multiplied in 1 2 3 6 tables. It is multiplied in lower number and its own digit. So in higher digit we cannot multiply number 6 tables, isn't it? So the fifth point is numbers of factors of a given or finite. So any number is given to divide or to calculate factor. If it is given, it is finite. Finite means the number can be read and it can be divided and it can be solved easily. So that type of numbers are called as finite numbers. And the next point is every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. So multiple of a number is greater and equal to. How? See, if I take example of 2. So what is the multiple of 2 means? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So multiple of each number is first is it is equal to same to and it is greater to number 2. This is called as it is greater and equal to given number. And seventh point is the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. So the number of multiplies of a given number. So sometimes what happens, some number it can be unend, it does not have end. That type of numbers are called infinite numbers. And the 8th point is every number is multiple of itself. Yes, every numbers is a multiple of its own number. Some numbers cannot be multiplied in other numbers, so it can be multiplied by its own tables. Like if you take number 5, in which it can be multiplied, it is multiplied by number 1, that is 1 5s are 5, then 5 1s are 5. Rather than that, we cannot multiply number 5 in other tables. So the number or some numbers are multiplied by its own, rather it cannot be multiplied by other tables. So I hope you understood this topic. Thank you so much for watching the video.